And the race is on. Yes, sir, I'm yours. From the outside is Hammery Tom. Ting tong, down on the inside, just like it, by the Real Gray Magic Friendly Fire. While C-Star is the early trailer. Yes, sir, I'm yours. By the Real Ting tong. Hammery Tom racing in third by a length and a half. Gray Magic down on the inside. Let's tell, yes, sir, I'm yours. Ting tong, rushing up by the rally's Gray Magic. Hammery Tom racing in fourth by a length and a half. Friendly Fire just like it's C-Star. Nearing the last 600, Ting Tok, yes sir, I'm yours, Gray Magic. Hammery Tom getting closer from the outside. Rounding the far turn, Ting Tok, Hammery Tom rushing up. Yes sir, I'm yours, Gray Magic, Friendly Fire, just like it. And the stars are running at the tail of the field as they race the final corner, Ting Tok. Hammery Tom from the outside. Yes, sir. I'm yours and Friendly Fire. And nearing the finish line, Ting Tong. And running on the outside is Hammery Tom. But still Ting Tong. This time by some 2 lengths now. Hammery Tom and Friendly Fire. And finally Ting Tong. Hammery Tom, Friendly Fire. Yes, sir. I'm yours. Just like it. Gray Magic C-Star comes last through all the way.